Let me ask you something uncomfortable. What if the richest person in the room isn't the loudest, flashiest, or most admired one? What if real wealth doesn't look like luxury cars, designer logos, or viral success, but silence, patience, and choices nobody claps for? More than 70% of millionaires live in average neighborhoods, drive normal cars, and look financially invisible. No applause, no flexing, no validation, and that's not because they can't show off. It's because they've outgrown the need to. In this video, I'm going to show you subtle signs you're becoming quietly rich, signs most people completely misunderstand or ignore. Stay with me till the end, because if you recognize even 3 of these signs, you're much closer to real wealth than you think. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Number 1. Your expenses are boring, but your net worth is growing. There's a phase in life where excitement comes from buying things. Then there's a phase where excitement comes from watching numbers quietly compound. If your spending looks almost dull lately, that's not a failure, it's a signal. Most people assume wealth should feel thrilling every day. New gadgets, new upgrades, new dopamine hits. But what actually builds wealth is repetition, restraint, and patience, things the brain finds boring. Quietly, rich people often wear the same style for years, eat similar meals, and delay purchases even when they can afford them. Not because they're cheap, but because their satisfaction has shifted from consumption to control. The brain quickly normalizes upgrades. What once felt exciting becomes baseline within weeks. Quietly wealthy people understand this deeply, so they invest in assets and skills that keep paying long after the excitement fades. You care more about cash flow than big paydays. At some point, the thrill of a large paycheck wears off. You stop asking, "How much did I make this month?" and start asking, "How predictable is my money?" That shift is subtle, but life-changing. People chase income spikes, bonuses, one-time wins, viral moments. But quietly rich individuals care more about repeatability than size. A $3,000 monthly cash flow that arrives without stress is often more powerful than a $30,000 spike that disappears. People feel rich when money comes in, but panic when it stops. Quiet wealth is built when money behaves like a system, not an event. Would you rather impress people this year or feel safe for the next 20? When your money becomes predictable, your nervous system relaxes, decisions improve, risk becomes calculated instead of emotional. And here's what most people don't realize. Predictable cash flow increases patience, and patience multiplies wealth faster than hustle ever could. Later in this video, we'll talk about why quietly rich people stop chasing opportunities and instead start filtering them aggressively. That's not arrogance, it's clarity. Number 3. You feel less urgency to prove anything. There's a strange moment in the wealth journey where the pressure to explain yourself fades. You stop needing people to understand your choices. You stop oversharing plans. You stop arguing with skeptics. And that silence? That's expensive. The mistake many make is thinking visibility equals progress. They announce goals too early, seek validation mid-journey, and burn emotional fuel explaining themselves. Quiet wealth grows in protected environments. When you talk about goals prematurely, the brain gets a false sense of completion. Dopamine is released, not for achievement, but for acknowledgement. Quietly rich people delay that dopamine. They don't need applause during construction. Ask yourself this: do you feel more focused lately and less interested in convincing others? That's not isolation, that's alignment. Number 4. You're building skills that don't look impressive yet. One of the most misunderstood signs of upcoming wealth is invisible progress. You might be learning things that don't produce immediate results. Reading financial statements, understanding asset allocation, studying industries instead of trends. From the outside, it looks like nothing is happening. Internally, everything is shifting. Most people want skills with fast feedback, things that get likes, praise, or visible outcomes. Quiet wealth grows through skills that compound quietly and surface later. Here's the mistake. People abandon learning too early because it doesn't reward them socially. But quietly, rich individuals understand something most don't. Skills pay interest. A deep understanding of leverage, negotiation, or long-term investing might not impress anyone today. But 5 years later, it can change your entire trajectory. If invisible skills are one layer, what happens when your lifestyle itself becomes invisible? That's where things get really interesting. Number 5. Your lifestyle is stable, even when income changes. This is a big one, and almost nobody talks about it. When income increases, most people immediately upgrade their lifestyle. New rent, new car, new commitments. Quietly, rich people do the opposite. They let income fluctuate, but keep lifestyle steady. This creates an invisible margin of safety. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about how hard it is to break your life. If your monthly obligations are low, your freedom is high. Ask yourself this. If your income dropped by 30% tomorrow, would your life collapse or adjust? Quiet wealth is elastic. It bends without breaking. Number 6. You've started valuing peace more than opportunities. There's a subtle shift that happens when wealth starts forming quietly in the background. You stop feeling excited by every opportunity, not because opportunities disappear, but because your standards rise. At one point, you said yes to everything. Extra work, side hustles, late-night calls, social obligations that drained you but made you feel important. Now, something feels different. You pause, you evaluate. You ask yourself one quiet question before committing. Is this worth disturbing your peace? Most people believe success comes from grabbing everything that comes their way. That's how burnout masquerades as ambition. Quietly wealthy people learn something most never do. Not every opportunity is an upgrade. Saying no becomes a form of self-respect. Protecting your time becomes an investment strategy. You realize energy is more valuable than money because money can be replaced, but a distracted mind compounds nothing. Ask yourself this honestly. When was the last time you declined something that looked profitable but felt heavy? That instinct is not laziness. It's wisdom forming. And here's the part most people don't see yet. Once peace becomes your filter, your decisions become sharper, and that naturally leads to thinking on a much longer timeline. Number 7. You've stopped measuring life in years and started measuring it in decades. Somewhere along the way, urgency loosens its grip on you. You're no longer obsessed with how fast things are happening. You don't panic if progress feels slow for a few months. You're playing a different game now, one most people don't even know exists. Instead of asking, "What can I achieve this year?" you find yourself wondering, "What will matter 10 years from now?" That question quietly rewires your behavior. You become patient with investments. You're willing to look foolish early if it means being unstoppable later. You understand that compounding doesn't reward speed. It rewards staying in the game. Anything meaningful takes longer than people expect, but lasts longer than they imagine. When you start thinking in decades, motivation becomes irrelevant. Something deeper replaces it. Number 8. You don't need motivation anymore. Your identity took over. There was a time you needed external pushes, podcasts, quotes, deadlines, pressure. Now, you move differently. Certain behaviors feel automatic: saving, learning, planning, delaying gratification, not because they're exciting, but because they're normal for you now. That's one of the clearest signs of quiet wealth forming. Most people rely on motivation, which comes and goes. Quiet wealth is built when behavior is anchored to identity. You don't ask yourself if you feel like doing the right thing, you just do it. The mistake people make is waiting for inspiration before acting. But inspiration fades. Identity stays. Number 9. Some relationships fade and you don't chase them back. This part doesn't get talked about enough. As you grow, some conversations stop making sense. Certain dynamics feel exhausting. You notice yourself choosing silence instead of explanation. And instead of forcing connections to stay alive, you let them loosen naturally, not out of arrogance, not out of resentment, but out of clarity. Quiet wealth changes how you relate to people. You stop bonding over complaints, chaos, or constant urgency. You value depth, calm, and long-term thinking, and not everyone resonates with that frequency. Quietly, wealthy individuals allow evolution to do what it's meant to do. Ask yourself this gently. Have you outgrown certain conversations without announcing it? That's not loneliness. That's transition. And when your environment becomes quieter, something remarkable shows up: calm. Number 10. While others panic, you feel strangely calm. This is the final confirmation. When markets fluctuate, when uncertainty hits, when others rush and react, you don't feel the same urgency. You're alert, but not anxious. Curious, not fearful. That calm didn't appear randomly. It came from preparation, margins, patience, and time spent thinking instead of reacting. Most people confuse calm with complacency. In reality, calm is often the result of work done quietly, consistently, and early. You're not fearless, you're insulated. When uncertainty shows up, do you feel pressure or perspective? That difference is massive. Because calm allows you to see opportunities others miss. And while the world rushes, quietly wealthy people reposition. Quiet wealth doesn't announce itself. It doesn't compete. It doesn't seek validation. It compounds in silence, protects peace, and grows roots before branches. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.